What if I told you that the internet holds the key to your financial freedom? Right now, thousands of people are earning a full-time income from home, and you can too. Today, I'm going to reveal the top strategies to make money online, even if you're starting from zero. By the end of this video, you'll have practical steps to start earning today. I've spent years analyzing the habits of successful online entrepreneurs and experimenting with these methods myself. Trust me, I know what works. Do you ever feel like you're working tirelessly but still can't make ends meet? Or maybe you dream of financial freedom but have no idea where to start. Many people face this struggle because they don't know how to leverage the power of the internet. They're stuck in outdated systems that don't work anymore. Take Anna, for example. She worked a 9-to-5 job but barely saved a penny. Then she discovered freelancing and started earning more online than in her full-time job. If this sounds familiar, don't worry. Today, I'll show you how to break out of that cycle and take control of your income. In this video, I'll share 6 proven strategies to make money online. We'll cover freelancing, selling digital products, affiliate marketing, drop shipping, content creation, and even online investing. These aren't gimmicks or get-rich-quick schemes. They're real methods that have helped countless people create sustainable online incomes. Way 1. Freelancing. Selling your skills. Step 1. Turn your skills into cash. Many people don't realize the value of the skills they already have, like writing, graphic design, or coding. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork connect you with clients willing to pay for your expertise. For example, you can earn $100 just for designing a simple logo. Immediate action. Sign up on Fiverr or Upwork and create a profile showcasing your skills. Benefit. This method is perfect if you want quick results and enjoy working on projects you're good at. Way 2. Selling digital products. Step 2. Create once, sell forever. Digital products like ebooks, online courses, and templates let you earn passive income. For instance, if you know photography, create a beginner's guide. Sell it on Gumroad or Etsy, and you could make hundreds of dollars monthly. Immediate action. Choose a niche, create a simple product, and list it online. Benefit. This way, you're building an asset that generates income while you sleep. Way 3. Affiliate marketing. Earn through recommendations. Step 3. Make money by sharing what you love. Affiliate marketing lets you earn commissions by promoting products you trust. Let's say you love fitness gear. Join Amazon Associates, share links on Instagram or YouTube, and earn a cut every time someone buys. Immediate action. Pick a product niche and sign up for an affiliate program. Benefit. It's a low-cost way to start earning, even with zero experience. Way 4. Drop shipping. Sell without inventory. Step 4. Run an online store without stocking products. With drop shipping, you sell products directly from suppliers. Imagine selling phone cases online. Your supplier ships them directly to the buyer, and you pocket the profit. Immediate action. Create a Shopify store and connect it with Oberlo to source products. Benefit. This method is scalable and allows you to run a business without a huge upfront investment. Way 5. Content creation. Monetize your passion. Step 5. Share what you know and get paid. Build an audience on platforms like YouTube or TikTok. For example, a YouTube creator in the cooking niche earns ad revenue, sponsorships, and product sales from a single video. Immediate action. Start posting content consistently in your chosen niche. Benefit. You're not just earning, you're building a personal brand. Way 6. Online investing. Make your money work for you. Step 6. Earn passively through smart investments. Invest in stocks, cryptocurrency, or ETFs to generate passive income. Even $10 a week can grow into thousands over time with the power of compound interest. Immediate action. Download an investing app like Robinhood or Acorns and start small. Benefit. This is how you turn today's income into long-term wealth. Each of these steps has the potential to change your life, but only if you take action. Remember, every day you delay is a missed opportunity to build the life you want. As they say, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. If these strategies resonated with you, like this video, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which method you'll try first. And don't forget to share this video with someone who needs it. Together, we can inspire more people to take control of their financial future. I've also linked additional resources in the description and pinned comment to help you get started. And since you're still here, YouTube thinks you'll love the next video on screen right now. Click it and continue your journey to financial freedom.